If you are someone who uses bike regularly, AMC is not at all an expense. It's a money-saving opportunity and tension-free ride for your vehicle. Because a well-maintained bike not only saves you money, also saves you from bigger problems in future. That's exactly why we have created GOBYK AMC, Annual Maintenance Contract. It's a systematic plan for your two-wheeler, starting from 110cc scooters to motorcycles to Royal Enfield segment. A smart way to maintain your bike for full 1 year without worrying about any repeated maintenance expenses. Every bike owner makes one costly mistake. They avoid doing regular maintenance of their vehicle. So they skip their general service and end up paying big repair bills. So what if I say every time you go for service, you end up paying for labor charges, oil and spare parts at MRP. So that is the reason we bought GOBYK AMC, which is valid for 1 year and covers 1 year maintenance for your bike. So don't worry about your bike maintenance anymore. With GOBYK AMC, you will get 3 paid services for free and 2 water wash for free. Beside this, you also get discount of 5% on spare parts and 15% on GOBYK engine oil and 15% on labor. But wait, there's more. You also get 3 referral coupons. Each gives you a discount of 150 rupees on a minimum bill of 600 rupees. And you also get unlimited air refilling at all GOBYK service centers. Now think about this. If you normally do service for 2 or 3 times in a year, you end up paying all MRPs, all labor charges, and even for every water wash, sometimes even for air refilling. So all these things you will get at a discount price or at free of cost. Your maintenance is already planned. You just focus on your riding. Rest will be taken care by us.